Hi, this is Venkadeshan, Department of Chemistry, St. Joseph's College, Kadalur, Tamil Nadu. அறனீனும் இன்பமும் ஈனும் திறனறிந்து தீதின்றி வந்த பொருள் திருக்குறள். Hi dear students, now we are going to see another important topics in quantum chemistry, that is simple harmonic oscillator in classical treatment. Next we are going for the quantum treatments. First you consider this diagram. So this one is a ball is connected through a spring. This is called as the L is called as length of the spring. This is the normal positions. Without any force, the length is L0. If the force is acting on is because of the spring, the distance may be increased or it may be decreased. From the Hooke's law, the force is equal to minus k of L minus L0. So this force is nothing but a restoring force. From the equilibrium, it go back and forth and return back to original position. That force is called as a restoring force. This you can take as minus k into x. From the Newton's law, the force is defined as force is equal to mass into displacement. So from the Hooke's law, the force, and Newton's law, the force, the both will be equal. Then you can write as m square d square x dt is equal to minus kx. This you can write as m d square x by dt plus kx equal to 0. Now this is a second order differential equation. It having the general solution of x of t is equal to c1 sin omega t plus c2 cos omega t. This equation we can also express in this way also. That is equal to a sin omega t plus phi. How we can express this solution as this like means just to take a sin omega t plus phi. So this is an sin of a plus b. We know that sin of a plus b equal to sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. In same way I have written. Then substitute these values in here. After substituting, you are getting as a cos phi sin omega t plus a sin phi cos omega t. A cos phi can take as c1 sin omega t plus a sin phi is taken as c2 then cos omega t. So this is a general equation. We are getting its solution as c1 sin omega t plus c2 cos omega t. Now at initial position, initially there is no velocity. Initial velocity that is equal to 0. Then x equal to 0, c1 is equal to 0. Then the c2 we are obtained as a. By substituting, the initial velocity is equal to 0, then c1 becomes 0 because c1 having the sign constant, so that is equal to 0. But for c2 we are having cos 0 is 1, so we are getting a c2 equal to a. Now that equation can written as x of t equal to c1 into 0 plus c2 is nothing but a cos omega t. So x equal to a cos omega t. Now x equal to a cos omega t. Here the omega is nothing but square root of k by m. Here mentioned as omega, that is nothing but square root of k by m. Now we know that from the physics, the potential energy we can define as F is equal to minus dV by dx. This we can write as potential energy of Vx equal to minus f of x dx plus constant, that is equal to minus kx dx plus c. The final we are getting as, sorry, now it is in plus. Finally we are getting as kx square by t. So this is the potential energy of simple harmonic oscillator. We know that x is equal to a cos omega t. Substitute on here k a square cos square omega t. So this is the potential energy. Then for kinetic energy, from the kinetic energy we know that kinetic energy is equal to half m from the Newton law d square x by dt square, that is equal to 1 by 2 m. So here the x, we know that x is nothing but a cos omega t. By substituting and differentiate on 2 times, so then we are getting as a square omega square sin square omega t. By differentiating a cos omega t for 2 times, then you are getting as a square omega square sin square omega t. Now the total energy is equal to potential energy plus kinetic energy. V is potential energy, K is called kinetic energy, and equal to k by 2 a square cos square omega t plus 1 by 2 m a square omega square sin square omega t. Then totally we are getting as k of a square by t, taken as cos square omega t plus sin square omega t. So this is an total energy of the simple harmonic system. How we are getting as k a square by t means by substituting omega is equal to square root of k by m. By substituting omega to k by square root of k by m in here, then we are getting as k a square by t cos square omega t plus sin square omega t. This you can take as a k a square by t. So this is the total energy that is in for simple harmonic system. By using that potential energy, we are going to substitute on quantum mechanical treatments in the Schrodinger equation. Then we can find out the energies and wave function for the simple harmonic oscillator. Thank you very much.